Hello everybody, Tammy here, welcome to my channel, and I have another mini American Girl doll to open. This is Addy Walker. Now the other doll I showed you, Caroline, I'd had her for a while, but I still had her box. This gal is totally new in box. Let me undo her. She was on sale. They had a sale, and just let me tell you, if you're looking for these on their website, they're not the easiest to find, and I don't understand why, but if you want to find them on the American Girl website, if you go in the search bar and type in mini, M-I-N-I, they will pop up. And of course, also, there's lots of them I've noticed on eBay, pre-owned, but considering the prices, I felt like the eBay prices were way too high. This girl was, by the time I got my, I'm trying to remember how much. She was 20% off, and then I had some points, so I got a few more dollars off. So I thought that was a pretty decent price for her. So look how cute. Now if I remember correctly, there were 2 releases of this doll, and the second release had a different outfit, or the first release had a different outfit than this. This doll has the second outfit, which I really like. I know some people are not keen on the fact that they changed these historical dolls. They did a re-release or something, and when they did that, they changed their outfits, and some people were not keen on that, but I do really like this dress. I think it's really pretty on her. Oh, and she has little hoop earrings. Look at that. They're kind of sticking out. I'm afraid to... Are they supposed to stick like that? That's kind of weird. Because they're sticking straight. They're not... You think they'd be like laying, you know, more close to her ears. And I'm afraid to bend them and break them. And she does have her mold is an Addy mold, and it's very unique. It actually does look like the big 18-inch version of this doll. Because I think she was the original Addy mold, obviously, and then afterwards there's other dolls that have come out with the same face mold. And she's got beautiful hair that's braided and put up, which I will keep like this with these little bows. Look how cute. And let's see, she's got these little bloomers and socks and boots. Wow. Now, these dolls are not massively articulated, but they have a little bit. Their legs bend. Their arms go up and down. I think her head can move back and forth. You can't go up and down or anything, but she can move back and forth. And she comes with a little book. Yeah, so she's from their historical line. And that says, does that say 1860? Ooh, 1861? My gosh. Anyway, 1800s. All right. These are so tiny. I'm assuming this is just an abridged version of the big book that comes with these dolls. But yeah, I have decided I'm going to collect some of the historical dolls. I don't really plan on getting the 18-inch version of her. I'm going to stick with the mini ones for now. I do have some 18-inch dolls that I'm looking to get from American Girl, but for the historical ones, the older historical ones, I think I'm just going to stick with the mini ones. But anyway, let me know what you think. I think her face is adorable. She has painted eyes. They look brown, and then she's got a really unique little mouth with her little teeth. Very cute, very girly, very little girly. You know, she definitely looks like the 10-year-old look that they're going for with some of these dolls. I think sometimes the dolls look older, which actually I'm fine with. But she, to me, is definitely got the 10-year-old, 11-year-old maybe age look to her. And she's got a little bit of blush on her face even. Very, very cute doll. She's going to hang out my curio very soon. All right, let me know your thoughts down below. Please give this a thumbs up, if I can say that. Give this a thumbs up. And please subscribe if you haven't already. Have a wonderful dolly day. Bye-bye.